Good morning. Please come in. What seems to be the problem today?
Good morning, doctor. I don't feel very well.
I'm sorry to hear that. What's wrong?
I have a headache and a sore throat. I also feel tired all the time.
How long have you felt this way?
For about 3 days.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
Okay, let's take your temperature. Repeat after me. I don't feel well. I have a headache. I have a sore throat. I feel tired.
I don't feel well. I have a headache. I have a sore throat. I feel tired.
Excellent pronunciation. All right, Anna. It looks like you have a mild flu. Nothing serious.
Oh, that's a relief. What should I do?
You should rest, drink plenty of water, and take this medicine twice a day.
Okay, thank you, doctor. Can I go to work tomorrow?
I recommend you stay home for one more day.
All right, I will.
Okay, let's practice some useful questions. Repeat after me. What's wrong? How long have you felt this way? Do you have a fever?
What's wrong? How long have you felt this way? Do you have a fever?
Perfect. Now, I'll ask, and you answer like a patient. What's wrong?
I have a stomach ache.
How long have you had it?
Since yesterday.
Excellent. You sound natural.
Thank you, doctor. Can I take this medicine with food?
Yes, that's best. Take it after breakfast and dinner.
Got it. And when should I come back?
If you don't feel better in 3 days, please come back for another check.
Okay, thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Get well soon. Summary and practice. So, what did we learn today?
I don't feel well. I have a headache. I have a sore throat. I feel tired.
Excellent.
Thanks, doctor. I feel better already, in my English.
That's the best kind of recovery. Great job, everyone. If you're listening, remember, English is also about taking care of yourself.
Yes, and when you go to the doctor, don't be afraid to speak English. They'll understand you.
Exactly. See you in the next episode at the bank, Money English.
Bye.